specific seasons of the year. Okay. So what kind of weather is shown in the picture? Raise your hand when you want to answer. Chris. That is dry season or sunny. Sunny. How about this one? Hey, what kind of weather is shown in another picture? Aaron. Wet season or
Rainy day.
Rainy
Day.
Okay, in our previous discussion, we learned that we have how many seasons? Okay, so we have 2 seasons in the Philippines. The dry and the wet seasons. Okay, so which of these weather conditions do you prefer to have? Dry season or wet season? Or sunny day or rainy day? Huh? Which of that season or weather condition do you prefer to have? Which do you like? Sunny day or rainy day?
Sunny day.
Why sunny day? Raise your hand. Why sunny day? Why do you like sunny day? Anybody? Alina, why do you like sunny day? Okay, stand up. I like sunny day.
I like sunny day because it can help you
Okay, very good. So it can help you, according to Alina, dry season can help her dry their clothes. Okay, any answer? Any other answer? Okay, how about you, Nelson? Which do you prefer? Sunny day or rainy
Sunny
day?
day. I like sunny day because we can harvest our crops.
Okay, you can harvest your crops. Okay, any other answer? How about from this group? From this group? Which do you like? Sunny day or rainy day? Sunny day or rainy day? Charles, which do you like? Stand up. Sunny day or rainy day? You like what? Just among the two. Okay, health, Irish.
I like sunny day because the ground is not slippery.
Yes. You like sunny day because?
The ground is not slippery.
Okay, the ground is not slippery. Okay, very good. Okay, we have here another. Okay, is the time of the day you experience affects you?
Yes.
This rainy day affects you?
Yes.
Okay, in what way? In what way the time of the day that you experience affects you? In what way? Example. Who can give me situation or example? Okay, Alvina.
When you go to school, I slide in the street.
Okay, because if it is sunny day or rainy day?
Rainy day.
Okay, during rainy day, when you go to school, you experiences, what is your experiences? You experience sliding in the ground. Okay, what else? Any other situation? How does that kind of how does the weather or this weather affects you? Rainy day and sunny day. Like today. Today is okay. We experience rainy day. Yes.
A kind of day I experienced that activity is rainy day because I can play outside.
Okay, rainy day. You like rainy day. That affects you because you do not like to, you do not like activities indoor, but you like to play under the rain. Okay, another. Any other answer? From the back. From the back? Okay. Next, let's proceed. Okay, so you need to understand class, that the condition of our environment is ever changing because of the different factors that we studied in our previous discussion. No? So it does not only affect our comfort, but also it determines what activities we are going to do in the different seasons, be it sunny or dry season or rainy or wet season. Yes. Then, this may be as simple as deciding whether to go on a picnic on a bright sunny day or just stay at home and enjoy reading or storytelling with the rest of the family during stormy days. So we have different activities during those seasons. Okay, then also it may be as critical as deciding what crops to plant during the rainy season and during the dry season. So that is the major concern of our farmers, since the Philippines is the principally an agriculture country. But also, during wet season, you learn that that is the beginning or the start of the harvest, preparing plots, and also that is the beginning of what? Yes, that is the beginning of planting, or that is a planting season. Okay, so the weather may be warm one day and cold the next day. So it may be bright and sunny when you wake up in the morning, or maybe you can experience dark and drizzly. When we say drizzly, okay, you experience a little shower of rain in the afternoon. So just like what we have or the definition of weather. What is the definition of weather, everybody? Weather is?
When there is a condition of the sky that changes from time to time and from day to day.
Okay, very good. Kindly repeat. Marian Doris, what is the meaning of weather?
The condition of the sky that changes from time to time and from day to day.
Okay, very good. Okay, so let's have now our activity. It's activity time. But whenever we have our activity, we have some norms or reminders to follow. Okay, first reminder. Raise your hand. What are we going to do before we have our activity? Nelson.
Follow the directions.
Okay, we have to read, we have to understand, and also we have to follow directions carefully. What else? Aside from understanding, reading, and following the direction, what else? Irish. Okay, do not disturb other groups. What else? Okay, cooperate with your leader or cooperate with a group. Okay, another. Reading. Okay, minimize your noise. What else? Aryan. Yes? Give ideas to one another. What else? Yes? Yes, maintain cleanliness in your area or workplace. What else? Yes? Okay, you have to submit your output, your work on time. What else? You have to seek my Yes, you have to seek my guidance if it is needed. Okay, then we have here activity sheets for you. So I will group you into 4 groups. Okay, let's start counting first.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1,
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2,
10 minutes for your group discussion and sharing. And for your group reporting is 2 minutes or less. No? Okay. So group 1. Okay, and also, please select your leader who can report your answers here in front. Okay, group 2. Group 3. Group 4. Okay, wait for my instruction. Okay, listen. Okay, so I have here the criteria for group 1, 2, and 3. Group 1, 2, and 3 only. Ano? Okay, 1, 2, and 3. So you are going to get 5 points if your output is very clear and realistic. When you say realistic, it seems to be true. Ano? Okay, 4 points if your output is clear and realistic. 3 points if your output is clear but not realistic. 2 points if your output is quite clear and unrealistic. And 1 point if your output is clear and unrealistic. Okay, for groups 1, 2, and 3 only. Okay, for group 1, so you are going to use materials. So I have here crayons and pencil. Kindly get your materials here. Okay, group 1. So group 1, this is your direction. Draw a picture of a dry season. Dry season first. A picture of a dry season or summer in the Philippines. And the appropriate activities which usually do on this season. First, you are going to draw dry season. Picture of a dry season or summer. Then, after that, what are the activities that we usually do? What are the activities that we usually do during dry season? Okay? Okay, next we have group 2. Okay, for group 2. Okay, also, materials. So you use also pencil and coloring materials. Then the procedure is draw a picture. Group 2, listen. Draw a picture of a wet season in the Philippines and the appropriate activities we usually do on this season. Draw first the picture of wet season, then after that, the activities that we do during rainy season or wet season. Okay? Next. Group 3. Okay, group 3. Here's group 3. So group 3, you are going to role play. Okay, role play appropriate activities that we usually do during dry and wet season. Okay, role playing. Role playing on dry and wet season. Okay, then for group 4, okay, group 4, kindly get your materials here. Okay, so for group 4, what are you going to do is that you are going to classify only. Classify the following activities whether they are done during wet season or dry season. So kindly cut these activities into strips, then paste it here to make it big. Okay? Okay, did you get the instructions? Yes! So, your time starts now. Okay?
sweaters, planting of rice, and this is the activities that we do during dry season. Drying clothes, outdoor backyard camping, wearing sleeveless shirts, eating ice cream, go for swimming. That's all. Thank you.
Okay. So let's do this. Saturday. Ready? Everybody go.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, scratch day.
You are going to stand up then say Saturday. Okay, sit down first. Ready? Sit down first. Ready? Go.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, scratch day. Go.
Okay, so let us process now. So for group 1, you got, so your output is, where is your drawing? May I have your drawing? Okay, so they showed to us dry season, so it is obvious. So their output is very clear and realistic. So they got what? 5 points. Okay, for group 2, may I have your drawing? Okay, for group 2, is their drawing very clear? Huh? Is their drawing very clear? Showing wet season. Huh? So not their drawing or their output is clear but and realistic. So they got only 4 points. And for group 3, okay, group 3, role playing. Okay, so their output or their presentation is very clear and realistic, only that. So make sure group 3, the next time you present here your presentation, so all of your classmates will hear your voice. Okay? And then for group 4, also they got 5 points also. Okay, for group 4, wet season, play jackstone inside the house, eating hot soup, preparing garden plots, wearing sweaters, planting of rice. And for dry season, their activities are drying clothes, outdoor backyard camping, wearing sleeveless shirt, eating ice cream, go for swimming. So they got all correct answers. Okay. All correct answer. Kindly clap to group 1, group 3, and group 4. Okay, everybody clap your hands. Barangay clap. Ready? Go.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, yay!
Okay, so I have here now pictures, and you are going to tell activities in the pictures, what conclusion or what can you say about the pictures or the activities in the pictures? What can you say about all the pictures that I have shown you? Yes?
They are having fun.
They are having fun. Yes. What else? What else? What can you say? About the different activities that we have here in these pictures. Okay, swimming. Okay, the rainforest, the parks. Okay, what can you say about all these pictures? Anybody? What can you say about those pictures? Any idea? Okay, tell me, express your answer even in a simple English. Even in a simple English. Kindly answer me in a simple English. What can you say about all those pictures? Is there activities there for wet or dry season? Yes or no?
Yes.
It's the same. Are the activities the same for wet and dry season?
No.
So what can you say all about those pictures? What conclusion can you draw? Oh yes, we have different activities during what? Okay, very good. Clap your hands. We have different activities during wet and dry season. Okay, so are the activities we do affected by the seasons we experience? Yes. Okay, so say for instance, you want to go out for a picnic. You want to go out for fishing. And then the weather is seems to be not good. So what are you going to do? What are you going to do if the weather is not good? What are you going to do even if you like to go out? Even if you like to swim with your friends, then the weather is it is rainy day. So what are you going to do? You just okay, you are going to stay inside. So you just stay inside your house. So meaning to say that season influenced the activities that we have is influenced by the seasons that we have. So what then should we do to be safe always of any weather that we have? Again, what then should we do to be safe? To make us safe, what are we going to do? You should be what? To make us safe, what are we going to do at any weather that we have?
Follow the activities that we do during wet and dry season.
Okay, so we have to follow, we have to select the activities that we have during wet and dry season, and also we should be aware. So we should be aware of the wet and dry season because in our previous discussion, we know when is what is the month of dry and wet season. So we should be aware and we should be know and follow the different activities for us to be safe. So now, you are going to get your ball pens and it's time for us to answer the following questions. Okay? Get your ball pens, everybody. Okay, so the direction is read each item carefully. 1, 2, 3. Can I have your papers? Okay, so check here after reading. Okay, let's have number 1. Make it fast. Get on one. Get fast. Okay, number 1. Which of the following activities is done during wet season in the Philippines? Wet season. Okay, wait. A, children are playing on cars. C, farmers are preparing their land for planting. Or D, some youth are learning how to count. What is the answer?
Letter C.
Okay, Nelson.
Letter C.
Okay, so the answer is letter C. Farmers are preparing their plot for planting. C. And number 2. So which activity is best to do during dry season? Best activity. Best activity during dry season. Swimming in the house, swimming in the resorts, planting flowering plants, wearing clothes. Dry season. So the answer is letter B. Swimming in the resorts. Letter B. Okay, next number 3. It is rainy day. What shall the Uden family do to enjoy the day?
Letter D.
Be quiet first. Play under the rain to enjoy the day. Plan for swimming in a well-known resort in the place. Be silent, stay at home and watch TV the whole day. They cook and merienda for the whole family and eat together. Answer.